Greetings everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm here to guide you through the process of adding or removing a card on Temu. Let's dive right into the video. Firstly, open up your Gmail application and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you've logged in, proceed with the following steps. If you wish to add a card, navigate to the YouTube tab, tap on it, and then go to Settings. Under Settings, locate Payment Methods and click on it. Here, to add a card, simply click on Add Card and provide your card details. Once you've filled in the details, click Add Your Card, and your card will be added. Now, if you want to remove a card, follow a similar process. Go to Settings and under Payment Methods, you'll find your card listed. To remove it, tap on the card, then click Delete Card. Confirm that you want to remove the card, and that's it. Your card has been successfully removed. So whether you're adding or removing a card on the Gmail application, this process should have you covered.